Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi Q5 oil light. This process is crucial after an oil change to ensure your service reminders are accurate. We'll cover the simple, manual steps you can perform right in your driveway. Understanding these steps will help you maintain your vehicle's service schedule effectively and avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Let's get started with the first key action. To begin, turn your Audi Q5's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the CAR button on your vehicle's center console. This action will bring up the main menu on your MMI display. From there, use the MMI control dial to scroll through the options until you find Service and Checks or Service Intervals and select it. Once you are in the Service Intervals menu, you will see an option to reset oil change interval. Select this option. The system will then ask for confirmation. Choose Yes to proceed with the reset. After confirming, the oil service light should clear. Finally, turn off your Audi Q5's ignition to finalize the process and save the new settings. It's vital to remember that you should only reset the oil light after actually performing an oil change. Resetting it without new oil can lead to engine issues. For specific details, always consult your Audi Q5 owner's manual, as procedures can vary slightly by model year. If the oil light remains on after following these steps, it indicates a potential underlying problem, and professional inspection is recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.